In this video, I'm going to show you how to attack friends on Monopoly Go. In Monopoly Go, attacking other players, including friends, is a strategic part of the gameplay. In order to attack a friend, simply go ahead and launch Open Monopoly Go application. Whenever you land on this shutdown kind of a area on your Monopoly Go game, you will then get to attack your friends. Go ahead and select the landmark you would like to attack. If you want to switch the person you are trying to attack, you can also tap on Switch Opponent at the bottom and then select any player you'd like to attack from the revenge list or from your friends list as well. Simply go ahead and find anyone and tap on the Go button to attack their landmark. Now choose the landmark you'd like to attack, and right after you do that, you will be able to attack the certain landmark, and in return, you will earn cash within the game. Tap on the collect button in order to collect your reward. So that way you will be able to attack someone on Monopoly Go. Just remember that whenever you roll a dice, make sure that your dice ends up in this board over here. Make sure that your dice rolls and you are in this area or this board over here. So that is how you attack someone in Monopoly Go. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more tutorials on Monopoly Go. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.